Hey y'all, it's your girl Shay Elise back with another video. So this video is going to be on the Bentonite clay hair mask. This is my hair after I've done everything. So as you can see, it's really moisturized, really conditioned, and it's frizz free almost. So like I said, I really love this mask, and I always incorporate it on my wash days, especially when I've had a lot of product buildup. So stay tuned and watch the video if you're interested. Start with showing you how I make it. So you'll need a plastic bowl, plastic spoon, the bentonite clay or the Indian healing clay. This is what it looks like on the inside. It comes in a powder form. I usually get mine from Amazon in bulk. They usually have like 3 packs for like $10 or something like that. And I also like to use apple cider vinegar. So I kind of just eyeball it. So I'll pour the apple cider vinegar in, and it'll start to frizz up from the chemical reaction, I guess. And I'll just mix it until it forms kind of like a creamy clay-like consistency. And I'll just keep adding apple cider vinegar to make it creamier, or I'll add more of the bentonite clay powder just in case it gets too watery. You want it to be kind of like almost like a pudding-like mixture. So it'll go on the hair very easily. And if it's too watery, it's going to be dripping everywhere. And if it's too thick, it's not going to slide on the hair very well. So here's what I mean by that, like kind of chunky pudding-like consistency. You want it to be kind of creamy, kind of like your typical deep conditioner or something like that. That's kind of the consistency that you would like. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some grapeseed and avocado oil. This is another really good moisturizing oil that I like to use. And you're just kind of eyeball it. I guess maybe like 2 tablespoons of oil in there. And then you're just going to want to go ahead and mix that all up. So after adding the oil to the mixture, this is the consistency. It's almost kind of like cake batter. So here's my hair after a long week of wearing a slick back bun. So I have a ton of product build up on there, and I just want to go ahead and get all of that gunk out. So first I'm going to go ahead and rinse my hair with water to get the film off. And then I'm going to part my hair into 4 sections and go ahead and apply that bentonite clay to each section. Now when you apply it, you want to kind of, rake it through with your fingers like you would with any other deep conditioner. So you're going to want to go ahead and do that. And then you're going to want to make sure that each strand is saturated very, very well. So if you need to part those sections into smaller sections, go ahead and do so. Like you see here, I'm detangling the section first and then putting that bentonite clay on top of there. So I just wanted to show you guys what my hair looks like with the clay on there before I finish. You can already see that it's starting to define my curls already. So here I am. You guys can go ahead and watch the rest of this. I'm just going to put the rest of that bentonite clay onto my hair. So here's my hair after all of the bentonite clay has been applied, and I just want to tell you guys a little bit about it. So bentonite clay is a great detox for your hair, as well as a great moisture mask. It has a ton of minerals that are in the clay that help to not only clean your hair, but also moisturize, condition, soften, and decrease the frizz. It's always a must on my hair when I've had a lot of product buildup, like I said before, and it gives me that reset that I need for my hair. And I always make sure to get my edges too, because you want to get those too and make sure that those are nice and clean as well. So now I'm just going to go ahead and rinse the rest of that, well, not the rest, rinse all of the clay out. You can see it does get kind of messy and dirty, so you're going to want to make sure that you clean your tub very, very, very well and very thoroughly. So here's my hair after I've rinsed the bentonite clay out. I don't have any product on my hair as of yet. No leave-in conditioner, no other conditioner, nothing. This is just straight from the shower, straight with all the bentonite clay off. Now you see some like pebbles or some white stuff in my hair. That's literally just the beads of water that's sitting on the top of my hair because of my hair porosity. So yeah, if y'all enjoyed the video and like how this turned out, definitely let me know if y'all try it. And always don't forget to subscribe, and thank y'all for watching.